How to fix Discord game activity not showing. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will open just Discord. When you open Discord, go now directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data. Click OK, and now go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.